subscribe. Your boy Miami T. Dade County, man. We up out of here. YouTube, what it do, man? What it do? What it do? See the big breakdown in Lucille. Alright, so I'm gonna actually change this sunroof, man, because it actually, you know, I'm gonna show y'all the good, the bad, the ugly. Now the roof been in here, but as you can see, it's not popping up the way it need to be. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go with some other brackets, you know, maybe a whole different glass. I mean, the glass, just ain't nothing wrong with the glass. I mean, it's just dusty or whatever. You know, that is it. But let me show y'all this. So I decided to scrap this project right here. I decided to scrap that. Only for the reason of this my new motor. This Lucille new heart transplant right here. Taking it out of my dog shit, man, and this right here we're going in Lucille. I shouldn't be showing y'all all this because I don't want y'all be trying to pull up talking about, hey man, I'm just, you know, if you know something about motor, you know what it is, man. I ain't gonna tell you everything, man, but this right here I already tuned, you know what I'm saying? Everything I already tuned, motor ready to go. So my dog actually gonna go with the 7.0, you know. This right here, this perfect for me. I ain't got to do nothing. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna change this, you know, add it to the color Lucille going to, but yeah, I just want y'all to see this, man. You know what I mean? I want y'all to see this. We're gonna apply some pressure. We're going to apply some pressure. And I know, man, before anybody get in the comment section and say, man, boy, you been in there for a minute, boy. That's cause like I said, man, I have other things going on, man. I have so many different projects, and I'm not, like I said, I'm not in a hurry with nobody. I ain't in competition with nobody but myself, and I want to do stuff the right way, you know, do stuff the right way. I don't want his wheels or nothing, but and then the console already, you know, done. I actually got to go over there and look at it to give my approval, so it can possibly go ahead and get wrapped or whatever. But I really don't want to wrap it just yet because I want all that stuff done at the same time. All that stuff, and he went with that roof. That's cool. I like that. If I had a bald head, maybe I would do that. But for the quarter top, man, this is what I like. So, yeah, that's it. It's your boy Miami T. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, man. Come on, we're trying to get them numbers up, trying to get them views up, man. Get them comments in there. Do what you do, man. We out.